Hello guys, today we are going to be talking about the remove URLs tool. I didn't even know that they had this, so this is something new to me as well. Anyway, enter the URL in your site you'd like to hide, and it is case sensitive, so make sure that everything is lowercase if it needs to be, and make sure everything is uppercase if it needs to be. Add a password to any page, and then Google cannot get into it. Now, we also talk about in the school that there are tags, and you can indicate a page should not be indexed by using the no index meta tag. But however, if it's already indexed, it's not really going to help you out that much. And they say right here, this is less secure than these other two methods. I personally really like the password one, but if you really just want to get rid of the page, just make sure it comes up with a 404 or 410.